Welcome to my Airbnb in TULUM, the Mayan jungle cabana. You guys, this place is amazing, so peaceful, and less than 3 miles from TULUM Center. This is the surroundings around the cabana, and this isn't the only cabana. There's other cabanas like this one around and different ones in process. So this is the outside of my cabana from this side, and you just saw in the initial pictures the other side, and now walking towards the entrance. And there are different bikes around depending on who's using them or not. And this is the outside beautiful deck that I definitely use for my morning routines, for videos, and more. And workouts and more as well, because obviously it's a beautiful space to use, chat with family. So let's take a peek inside. So there's a sliding door entrance, and I don't ever feel unsafe. The lock is great, it's super quiet, and any other guests that are there, and there's usually maintenance and other people around as well. And you can see as we walk in, there's a beautiful tiny kitchen, a workspace, beautiful lamps like this one. I have my Herbalife station set up on top of the microwave. There's a blender. And this is my first time using this type of cooking type device. And you can see you turn it on, you set the fryer, you can adjust the temperature, and you guys, food cooks amazingly fast. I love my little workstation. It's where I'm sitting right now, and it's actually perfect, just enough to set up, positive motivation, my computer. And here's a wardrobe where you can easily set, you can see I've hung up my clothes because I'm gonna be here a while, and area at the bottom for shoes. And then here's the beautiful bathroom, and you can see I've definitely made myself at home and nested. A laundry basket, beautiful bamboo, beautiful orchestrated and accents on the mirror. I love this sink. I have all my skincare set up. Shampoo, there's a hot shower, so the water takes a little bit to warm up. Keep in mind we are in the jungle. So you can see I have my shampoo, my facial mask and scrub, and that's what the host provided at the bottom. And I love these walls. Then beautiful accents above the bed, and it's super duper comfy. You can see the views of the kitchen from the bed and the bathroom. Nightstands, TV, beautiful accents and shades, views from the entrance, and then views of the jungle.